As you step into the large warehouse, you are immediately greeted by one of the museum's biggest jewels, the Pullman Superb private car. Built in 1911, this Pullman unit is one of the second oldest steel private cars in existence. One of its first significant uses was by President Warren G. Harding for his 1923 cross-country tour. Despite his physician's warnings about the demanding schedule, President Harding and First Lady Florence Harding departed from the White House on June 20th, 1923, aboard this very Pullman car. Though the president enjoyed his travels, the strenuous journey took a toll on his health. On August 2nd, President Harding and his party traveled to San Francisco, California. There they stopped for the night, and unfortunately, the president died that evening in his hotel room, and the Superb had to make its solemn return trip, carrying his casket from San Francisco to Washington, D.C., and ultimately back to his hometown of Marion, Ohio.